Hi, I'm Rajiv Jadhav, one of the co-founders of Let's Solve X. Let's Solve X is a project that aims to create awareness around xenophobia. The X stands for xenophobia. We are envisioning a world without xenophobia, and we are creating awareness around xenophobia by inviting people to share their stories of when they either witnessed xenophobia or racism or experienced xenophobia or racism. And we're thinking that when other people hear these stories, they will relate to it a little bit better. Please follow us on Instagram, Let's Solve X. Our hashtag is Let's Solve X, and our handle is also Let's Solve X. I hope this video inspired you to share your story and have an amazing rest of your day. Thanks and take care.